I can't imagine how my mind can comprehend He who made the heavens and earth just by His word would give His time and life to be a sacrifice for such a worthless dust like you and I. It's not because of a wisdom that He came. It's not because of who I am that God sent His Son. Not because the world has much to give that He gave His life, but that man may live and he may die. When He spoke, be still, they obeyed His voice. The ocean and the raging storm willingly took their choice. Oh, how can it be for a worthless man like me? He left His glorious throne for Calvary. It's not because of a wisdom that He came. It's not because of who I am that God sent His Son. Not because the world has much to give that He gave His life, but that man may live and he may die. Wake up from your sleep, the dead can hear again. The tiny cells that have ceased to live arose at His command. Then truly who am I that the Master came to buy? I know for sure it's all because of love. It's not because of a wisdom that He came. It's not because of who I am that God sent His Son. Not because the world has much to give that He gave His life, but that man may live and he may die. But that man may